Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, pag-aaralan natin ang measures of positions of group data. Meron tayong tatlong measures of positions, ang quartile, decile, at percentile. Ang formula natin for quartile, that is quartile is equal to the lower boundary times the quantity of kth quartile times the total frequency over 4 minus the cumulative frequency before the quartile class over frequency of the quartile class times the size of class interval. Sa decile naman, papalitan lang natin yung over 4 doon ng 10. And for the percentile, papalitan naman natin ng 100. Sa quartile, that is 4. Sa decile, that is 10. And for the percentile, that is 100. Dun sa quartile, guys, yung K doon, apat lang yan. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa decile naman, meron tayong 1 to 9. So, 1, 2, 3 hanggang sa 9. And sa percentile, that is hanggang 99. 1, 2, 3 hanggang sa 99. Meron din tayong tinatawag na percentile rank. Ang formula natin for percentile rank, that is percentile rank is equal to 100 over total frequency times the quantity of row score minus lower boundary times frequency of the class where the score belongs over the class interval plus cumulative frequency of all the values below the critical value. Let's have an example. The table below shows the scores in a 50-item test of 60 students. So, ito yung mga scores nila, itong class interval. For example, to 16 to 20, ano yung ang nakakuha nun. 10 students ang nakakuha ng 21 to 25. At 5 students ang may score na 46 to 50. And so on and so forth. Napapansin niyo itong class interval. So, dalawa yan, di ba? Itong nandito sa left side, ito yung tinatawag na lower limit. That is lower limit. At itong nasa right side, ito yung upper limit. So, bago natin makuha yung quartile, decile, at percentile nito, kailangan muna natin kumpletan yung table. Kailangan muna natin hanapin yung lower boundaries at less than cumulative frequency. So, simulan na natin dito sa lower boundaries. Para makuha yung lower boundaries, may formula tayo dito. This lower boundaries is equal to, kunin natin yung lower limit, isubtract natin sa 0.5. Okay, so lower limit muna tayo. I-highlight ko muna. So, magsimula tayo dito sa taas. So, 46 minus, isubtract natin sa 0.5, yan ay 45.5. Yung 41, isubtract natin sa 0.5, that is 40.5. Yung 36, pag sinubtract natin sa 0.5, that is 35.5. Then next yung 31, that is 30.5. Then 26, that is 25.5. Makikita nyo naman yung pattern eh. 21, that is 20.5. And last, yung 16, that is 15.5. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung lower boundary. Doon naman tayo sa less than cumulative frequency. So, para makuha naman yung less than cumulative frequency, ang titignan naman natin ngayon ay yung frequency. So, para silang may word na frequency. So, dito tayo sa frequency. Ngayon, magsisimula tayo sa may pinakamababang class interval to, 16 to 20. Kunin natin yung frequency niya, which is 6. Ang less than cumulative frequency niya, 6 lang din. Para sila. Yan ang gagawin natin sa 6. I-add natin sa frequency ng susunod, which is 10. So, 6 plus 10, that is 16. So, that is 16. Then, itong 16, i-add naman natin sa susunod, which is 9. So, 16 plus 9, that is 25. Then, add natin yung 25 sa 15, which is 40. Then, gano'n lang nang gawin natin. I-add naman natin to sa 8. So, that is 48. Then, 48 plus 7, that is 55. Then, 55 plus 5, so that is 60. So, I hope nasundan nyo. Okay. Kung napapansin nyo itong 60, so itong 60 na to, yan yung total din ng frequency. So, ito ay equal to 60 rin. So, 60, yan na yung N natin, yung total frequency. Next ay yung I, or yung size of class interval. So, kunin natin yung lower limit at upper limit. So, L ito So, that is equal to upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. So, palagi may plus 1, huwag kakalimutan. So, kuha ka lang dito kahit anong pair. So, kunin na lang natin 16 saka 20. So, upper limit is 20 minus lower limit is 16 plus 1. So, 20 minus 16, that is 4. And 4 plus 1, that is 5. So, this is 5. So, the size of class interval is 5. Okay, proceed na tayo. Nakuha na natin yung lower boundary less than cumulative frequency. Hanapin natin yung second quartile. Okay, so bago tayo magsimula, ito yung formula ng quartile. So bago natin gamitin tong formula, unahin natin yung kn over 4 doon. Ito. Unahin na natin i-solve yan. So kn over 4. Okay, so ano yung k natin dito? K natin is yung second quartile. So that is 2 times n. Di ba sabi ko nga ito yung n, itong 60. Ito yun. So 2 times 60 over 4. And 2 times 60, that is 120 divided by 4. And 120 divided by 4, that is 30. Yan, so 30 na yan. So para saan yung 30 na yan? Yung 30 na yan, hahanapin natin yung pang 30 na score dito. Yung pang 30. So itong nandito sa baba, ito yung dito nagsisimula. So dito yung first hanggang sa, tignan mo to, 6 hanggang sa pang-6. So 6th. Dito sa pangalawa, dito na yung 7th. Yung pang-7. Hanggang sa pang-16. So dito yung 16th. Then dito na magsisimula yung 17. So 17th hanggang sa ito 25. Ito 26 hanggang 40. Tignan mo yung less than cumulative frequency. Then tong ito 41, simula sa 41 hanggang sa 48. 48. Then ito 49 na to hanggang 55. 55. Then ito 56 hanggang 60. So hanapin natin kung nasaan yung 30 dito. Hanapin natin. Nandito siya sa 26 to 40. Ito yun. Nasa loob siya ng 30. So, ibig sabihin, itong line na to, ito, highlight ko, nandito yung quartile 2 class. Nandyan yung quartile 2 class. Okay, so nahanap na natin yan. Isa-isahin muna natin yung formula. Ano yung K natin? Yung K natin, that is equal to 2 kasi nga second quartile. How about the lower boundary? So, lower boundary, ito yun. Yung kunin natin yung quartile 2 class, that is 30.5. 30.5. Then next, yung cumulative frequency before class. So, CFB. So, di ba, dito yun? Kunin natin yung nasa baba niya, which is 25. So, 25. Then next, yung frequency of quartile 2. O second quartile. Ito yun. It is 15. Then, yung I natin, sabi ko nga kanina, yung nasolve natin, that is 5. So, kompleto na lahat. Okay, so substitute lang natin. So, quartile 2 is equal to lower boundary, that is 30.5. 30.5 plus, close in open parenthesis, kn over 4. K natin is 2. Then yung n natin is yung 60. Ito yun. So, 2 times 60 over 4 minus yung CFB 25 over itong FQK or FQ2 na ngayon kasi yung quartile 2, that is 15 times the class interval, that is 5. Okay, nasolve na natin ito actually. 2 times 60 over 4, ito yun. That is 30. So that is 30.5 plus the quantity of 30 minus 25 over 15 times 5. That is equal to 30. Ito, 30 minus 25, that is 5. So that is 30.5 plus the quantity of, ano tawag yan? 5. Kasi nga 30 minus 25 is 5 over 15 times 5. Okay. So, pwede naman tayong gumamit ng calculator dito. Input lang natin yan. 30.5 plus quantity of 5.5 over 15 times 5. At ang makukuha nating sagot ay 32.17. So, ito na yung final answer natin. So, ano ibig sabihin ng 32.17 na yan? Ibig sabihin yan, 50% of the students got a score less than 32.17. Saan nakuha yung 50% na yun? Saan nakuha ito? So, di ba nga quartile 2 tayo? Second quartile. So, ang quartile na-divide sa 4. That is, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung first, 25%. Yung first quartile, 25%. Second quartile, 50%. Third quartile, 75%. At yung fourth quartile, that is 100%. So, dahil second quartile, 50% ang gagamitin natin. So, kalahati daw ng mga students nakakuha ng 32.17 or mas mababa pa sa 32.17. Next, hanapin naman natin yung fourth decile. Same table pa rin tayo. So, gaya kanina, unahin natin tong kn over 10. Over 10. Kanina over 4 yan, ngayon over 10 na kasi nga decile. So, k natin ngayon is 4 kasi nga fourth decile. Yung n natin hindi nagbabago, yung 60 pa rin. So, 60 over 10. And what is 4 times 60? That is equal to 240. Divided by 10. And 240 divided by 10, that is 24. So, that is equal to 24. So, kaya kanina, hanapin natin yung pang 24 dito. So, dito yung first to sixth. Andito yung 7th to 16. Yung 17 to 25. Yung 26 to 40. Yung 41 to 48. Yung 49 to 50. Dito sila. And yung 51 or 55, 56 na pala to, to 60. So, this is 55 pala. So, nasaan dito yung pang 24? Andito sa 17 to 25. So, ibig sabihin yan, andito yung decile 4. Fourth decile. Okay, so, isa-isahin na ulit natin yung formula. Yung K natin, that is 4, kasi nga fourth decile. Yung cumulative frequency before the fourth class or fourth decile, so CFB, ito yon, kunin natin yung nasa baba niya, yung 16. So, this is 16. Then, next is yung lower boundary. Kunin natin lower boundary ng 4th decile. That is 25.5. So, 25.5. The next, yung frequency of 4th decile. Ito yon. That is 9. And yung N natin, 60. Sabi ko nga kanina. Then, I, yung class interval, 5. Hindi nagbabago yan. Okay, so substitute lang natin. So, D sub 4 is equal to 25.5 plus the quantity of, ito, gayan lang natin to 4 over 60 times over 10, or kunin na lang natin yung 24 para mas mabilis. 24 minus the CFB, saan yun? 16 over, ito, FD4, 9 times the class interval, 5. That is equal to 25.5 plus the quantity of 24 minus 16, that is equal to 8. So, 8 over 9 times 15. Then sa calculator, pwede nating solve to. 25.5 plus 8 over 9 times 15. And that is equal to 29.94. So, ito na yung final answer. Ito yung decile 4. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? Ano yung 29.94 na yan? Yung 29.94 na yan, ibig sabihin, merong 40% o 40% ng mga students ng 29.94 or mas mababa pa. So, kanina 50%, ngayon 40%. Bakit 40%? Kasi nga 4th decile tayo. Kapag 4th decile, that is 40%. Kung 5th decile, 50%. Kung 6th decile, that is 60%. Ganun lang yun. Next, dito naman tayo sa percentile. So, hanapin natin yung 69th percentile. So, again, unahin mo natin itong Kn over 100. So, kanina over 10, ngayon over 100 na. So, Kn over 100, that is equal to K natin is 69. Kasi nga, 69th percentile. So, 69 minus N, hindi nagbabago, 60 pa rin yun, over 100. And 69 over 100, over 6, this is multiply pala, hindi pala minus. So, 69 times 60 is equal to 4,140 over 100. And kapag dinivide natin yan, that is equal to 41.4. Yan. So, hanapin natin yung pang 41 dito, 41.4. So, again, this is the 1st to 6th, 7th to 16th, 17th to 25th, then 25th to 40th, then 41st to 48th. Okay, so nandito na yung 41.4, di ba? Kasi 41 to 48 na yan. So, andito na. So, ito yung 69th percentile natin. Andito yung P69. Okay, so yung formula natin, so yung K, that is equal to 69. Yung yung CFB, yung cumulative frequency before class, itong 48, kunin natin yung nasa baba niya. That is 40. Then, lower boundary, ito, 35.5. Then, frequency of P69, ito yun, 8. 8. Then, yung N natin is 60. yung I plus interval 5. Okay, so substitute lang natin. So, P 69 is equal to lower boundary is 35.5 plus the quantity of, again, kunin na lang natin to 41.4 kasi pareha din naman dito. So, 41.4 minus cumulative frequency ito, 40 over ito, P69, 8. Multiply natin sa I, which is 5. So, that is 35.5 plus the quantity of 41.4 minus 40, that is equal to 1.4. So, 1.4 over 8 times 5. So, again, gagamit tayo ng calculator. Input lang natin to. Ang makukuha nating sagot ay 36.375. Ang ibig sabihin ng 36.375 na to ay 69% of the students get a score less than or equal to 36.375. Bakit 69%? Kasi nga 69 percentile. So, 69% din. Next, proceed naman tayo sa percentile rank. For example, ikaw yung isa sa 60 students. Tapos nakakuha ka ng 47. So, ano yung percentile rank mo? So, ang formula natin ay ito. So, ano ulit yung N natin? The same pa rin yung table natin kanina. So, yung N natin, that is 60. Yung P, that is 47. Yung hinahanap natin, 47. Then, lower boundary. Sa lower boundary, hanapin natin yung may 47. As kung asan yung 47 dito. Andito sa 46 to 50. Pasok yung 47 dito sa 46 to 50. So, magpo-focus tayo sa line na to. So, ang lower boundary niya is 45.5. The next yung ito, FP. That is equal to, kunin natin yun, 5. Yung frequency. Then, cumulative frequency of P, that is 55. Ito yun, yung nasa baba niya. So, 55. Then, yung class interval natin, hindi nagbabago. 5 pa rin yun. Okay, so proceed na tayo sa formula. So, substitute lang natin dito. P over sub PR. O yun yung percentile rank. That is equal to 100. Then, yung N natin is 60. Ito yung N natin. Is times the quantity of P, 47. Then, LB, 45.5. Times FP, yun, 5. Over I, yung 5. Plus CFP, that is 55. So, 55. Okay, simplify muna natin tong fraction dito sa loob. So, that is equal to 100 over 60 times, pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator dito. So, 47 minus 45.5, that is equal to 1.5. Multiply nyo sa 5, that is 7.5, then divide nyo sa 5, that is 1.5. So, this is 1.5 plus 55. And that is equal to 100 over 60 times 1.5 plus 55, that is 56.5. Multiply nyo lang to. Pwede kayo ulit gumamit ng calculator. So, 100 over 60 times 56.5, 94.17. So, pwede nyo lagyan ng percent. 94.17%. Yan yung percentile rank ng 47. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin yan, 94.17% of students ay nakakuha ng 47 or mas mababa sa 47. At 5.83% naman ang nakakuha ng 47 or mas mataas pa sa 47.